What we have here is the INEC poll worker system ID demonstration. This system is built of a number of industry standard components, including the Corvus biometric capture station, Pebble printers, single-sided printers to reduce cost, data strip verification units, and software from CardLogix and IT Exchange, as well as the software from Corvus. Here we're demonstrating Isaac as our participant getting captured both biographically and biometrically in the Raven system. You can see the data being entered in the simple fields, name, address, phone number, etc. These fields are expandable and can be made to contain whatever the database is needed for most authentication purposes, and this is used extensively in a lot of government applications. Here we have different facial images being captured. Profiles right, left, front. For this case we're using a front profile. Isaac is being captured. The system is artificially lit from lights on the side. It's normally done in a normal daylight environment with no problems. Lighting may be necessary depending on the place you're planning on using this. Now Isaac's fingers are being captured. What we're capturing is 4 fingerprints, and the system is then grading the quality of those fingerprints after storage for printing the best graded fingerprint on the card based on a barcoded print version of the fingerprint, which is limited to so many bytes. Here the system is capturing the data pretty rapidly, as you can tell. We're using the low-cost fingerprint sensor on this system versus the hand slap seen in the box, which would not be included in the actual purchase for the INEC system. The hand slap version, that is. The data is being captured. The person is now successfully enrolled. At the beginning of the system, we have to export the collected records into the auto export capture system. After the first group of records is started exporting, the system then auto polls, captures the data in a through the network, both it could be wireless or wired, in an automated fashion. This allows for a lower cost print server capture station relationship. Instead of having to have one capture station and printer per system, you have essentially you could have multiple capture stations to speed throughput and one print server. What you have here is the CardLogix capture automation of polling, and then pushing the data into the Exchange IT software for printing and management with the design of the INEC card. So you can see the data is automatically coming in. These are cards that were in the queue, so the printer is printing whatever was in the queue. In this case, there's probably 1 or 2 cards here. Here's the first card out of the queue. Here comes the second card from the queue. The entire system takes approximately 4 to 5 minutes per user for capture and print based on this system, versus a traditional system where there's one printer and capture station and it's manually done, which could take as much as 10 minutes per capture and print. Here we have the data strip unit. It's based on a Windows CE environment. It has a barcode reader that's integrated into the unit, and a fingerprint sensor built into the unit. You can see we're starting up with the touch screen, the INEC demonstration software showing capture. Here's the splash screen showing the INEC poll worker ID. This is telling you to insert the card in the unit. The card is going in for a read. It is reading the fingerprint off the barcode, and it's asking you to place your left forefinger. As demonstrated here, Isaac is placing his right forefinger, which should provide a no read or a incorrect finger to demonstrate that it does not work with the wrong finger. Here we're going to reread it again and use the correct finger. The card is being placed into the fingerprint reader, and Isaac is re-putting his finger in, and there we have the correct read showing it's correct. This data strip unit can allow for offline verification where phone systems and other connectivity issues are often a problem, particularly in poll worker environments where you need to know immediately. That concludes our demonstration. For further information, ask Pure Access for further details. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.